a single-row rivet configuration. Boeing acknowledged that the repair had not been performed to the approved engineering specification. The investigation's findings were precise and damning. The improper repair had reduced the bulkhead's fatigue life significantly. The inspection regime in place at Japan Airlines had no procedure that would have detected the internal cracking without disassembling the repair. Neither Boeing nor Japan Airlines had a system for auditing completed repairs against original engineering drawings after the aircraft returned to service. The deviation from specification had been present in the records from 1978. Nobody had looked. The aftermath produced regulatory changes across the industry. Pressure bulkhead inspection intervals were reviewed. Repair documentation standards were tightened. The concept of repair audit, checking completed work against original engineering drawings at a later maintenance interval, gained traction in aviation oversight frameworks. Boeing reached a settlement with the families of victims. The amounts were not disclosed. No criminal charges were filed in Japan against Boeing personnel, though Japanese prosecutors investigated. The crew of Flight 123 are remembered in Japan as professionals, who did everything possible with an aircraft that had been made unflyable by a decision made on the ground 7 years before they ever climbed into its cockpit. Captain Takahashi's handling of the aircraft in those 32 minutes is considered one of the most sustained examples of airmanship under impossible conditions in the history of aviation. The paper trail for this disaster begins in a hangar in 1978. It runs through 7 years of maintenance logs, inspection records, and repair documentation. It ends on a mountain in Gunma Prefecture. Every step of it was traceable, in retrospect, from records that existed and were never connected. The failure was not that nobody saw it coming. The failure was that they did. If you want to keep following the warnings the world ignored, subscribe. Every disaster leaves a paper trail. We follow it.